out of rotting in bed to not rotting and doing something you need, like cleaning your room, eating that first meal of the day, or even that shower. It's a fun, simple step that is a mood and mindset changer. So now that we understand why clothes are so important psychologically, let's get started on that first actionable step. Don't be depressed, get dressed.
That's what he parrots these ideas, and he does that with everything he talks about. And he kept trying to lay down these powerful fucking hits. And it was like Teenager Thoughts number 1782 or whatever it came out.
ADHD milkshake will come back shortly.
You need a drink? Do you want a soda?
Let's take the golf cart. Fuck. Let's get some fresh air.
I wish. Which one? Oh, that's a good rock.
Do you like?
Oh yeah.
Imagine it flips upside down.
I hope not. Or like there's Johnny's asleep.
Alright, folks. I have trash.
Hello. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's super high.
Oh.
Pumpkin spice.
Dulce, ya no sé ni qué ya.
Okay. Hello.
So hard it goes by.
Let's look into here, guys.
Oh my god.
¿Qué pasa?
I've been dreaming of her.
Oh, she's back again?
Yes. That's crazy.
With the dress, if you look at it unfocused. Somebody told me it was that dude at the girl. Turn around, I need to put my flashlight on. I love doing that voice. Honey, are you still listening? If you want to attract them all.
Doors open?
No, they're not.
Oh no, they're gonna be in my backseat and I'll go in the backseat.
I did.
The wet house is the
There's
one.
no down spring. If you cut down there's like a curse, and if you cut down a tree to build your business is gonna burn down. And so any store that has cut down a tree to build has actually burned down once once.
It's very true.
See?
Like that pizza place?
Oh, they did like put
Even
a bunch of concrete
the place where you
down.
buy the rocks, they burned down. And the restaurant next to it, they burned down. They took like 4 years to rebuild.
What happened here? Oh, the tree.
Yeah, their tree is home.
So does that count?
Does that count as what?
As their building catching on fire?
It's a good question.
That is a good question.
Yeah, right.
Maybe.
We'll see. We'll find out. There's a cat on that little area.
Oh,